How to connect Polk Soundbar to Roku TV. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to connect your Polk Soundbar to a Roku TV in a quick and easy way. Whether you're using HDMI ARC, optical or aux, I'll walk you through step by step. Let's get started. Part 1. HDMI ARC method. Best quality. Method 1. HDMI ARC for the best audio and control. Plug one end of your HDMI cable into the HDMI ARC port on your Roku TV. Plug the other end into the HDMI ARC port on your Polk Soundbar. On your Roku TV, go to Settings, System, Control Other Devices, then turn on both CAC and ARC option. Then go to Settings, Audio Output. Select HDMI ARC and set the digital audio format to auto or Dolby Digital. Finally, change your soundbar input to HDMI if it doesn't switch automatically. Part 2. Optical cable. Connect an optical cable from your Roku TV's optical out port to your Polk Soundbar's optical in. On Roku TV, go to Settings and Audio. Set the output to optical and choose Dolby Digital for Dolby Digital or PCM. Make sure your soundbar input is set to optical. Part 3. AUX or RCA cable method. Method 3. AUX or RCA for older setups or basic audio. Use an AUX cable or RCA to AUX adapter. Connect from the TV's headphone or AV output to the soundbar's AUX input. On Roku TV, go to Settings, Audio and Audio Output. Select Headphones or AV output, depending on the port used. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your Polk Soundbar to a Roku TV using different methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.